Okay, so I am back with another hair review because I did notice that yesterday when I recorded and uploaded the video about the bun and the bang, I forgot to install it so you guys can see how easy it is to install it. Now, I do apologize that I did not show you those steps, and that is because I had just did a makeup video, so I had to did my hair, and so in the video you can see my hair being done and everything, and I was like, oh, let me just do a review on the hair, and that's what happened. So I did not go into details, and I know that people have been saying that they want to see how easy it is to install it. Now, I just got done doing that eyebrow tutorial, like an eyebrow, how to do these eyebrows, how I do my eyebrows. So don't come for me because I look a little two-toned. I know that, okay? But I am here with my my TT lip gloss on to show y'all. Oh, I don't like when I don't got no makeup and I got on this ugly lip gloss. Anyway, to show y'all the bun and the bang. So it's gonna be very simple. This is the bun. Now, I did put these little clips in because, like yesterday, I was saying that if you wanted the clips, like the little razzle dazzle little things on it, you can do that. And I still have it on there because I just took this off and I did not remove it. That's how easy it is because I just took it off last night. I was like, threw it to the side. So this is how it looks. It's a bang, like it's a bun, and it looks like a little, like the little emoji poop symbol, like a little boop. Anyway, but it's a swirl bun, and in the inside it has, okay, so this is how it is. It has a drawstring at the bottom of it, so you can pull that once you put the ponytail in, and then you can open it as wide as you want. And in the inside of the bun, it has clips, and that's what I was saying in the video, that you could just clip it onto your little bun at the top, and yeah, you're good to go. And if this is not enough security, like I said in the last video, put some bobby pins through the net because you do have a net. So now you can put the little bobby pins in it and hold it in. And this is the bang that it comes with. Okay, so this is the Chinese bang. On the back of the bang, you have 3 clips, which is 2 at the bottom. 2 at the bottom. And you can just pop it like that. And you have 1 at the top, which you can just top it, put the bottoms on if you want to, and just clip it back together, and it clips onto your hair. Now, I know some people may not like the 2 clips at the bottom because it may pull up on your edges or your front line. However, if you don't want to, you could probably just put the top piece and just clip it in, put a bobby pin, like put some bobby pins in it, secure the bang or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how I put it on, but also I have an alternative idea because I just noticed that I did have a swoop bang that I purchased separately. Okay, this was purchased separately. I had it already, and I was like, I haven't worn this in a while. And like I said, the other pack, it had a swoop bang like this, like a swoop, but it came with a bigger bun, so it's not going to be a bun like this. It's not going to look like this one, and it's a little bit bigger and it's a little bit different, and it does not have a drawstring like this one. It's way different. But if you want to, I was like, oh, you could put this bang with it as well. So we're gonna look and see how it looks with, I'm gonna see how it looks with this one. But this one also has the same construction as the first one. It has the 2 combs at the bottom and the 1 at the top. Now the one at the top, I'm so mad at them because it came all messed up. Like, it don't clip at all, but we're gonna make it work, and we're gonna, you know, So my hair is slicked up. You may not have to do your edges, you know. Usually I would have my edges done, but these things just, you know, slicked up in a ponytail too. But so you start off with your ponytail. Bang with your bun ponytail. Don't come for me. I know I ain't got that much hair. Like, I know. But I am natural. Woohoo. My hair can go in a ponytail, so I got excited about that. So what you want to do is you want to take your bang, unclip it. However, you have your hair in a ponytail. You take the bang and you're just gonna find a spot up at the top of your hair. Oop. And you're just gonna clip it onto your hair. And then you're just gonna take your finger and you're gonna clip that comb in. See? And you can hear it. And like I said, you can always find like I'm just gonna use the bottom ones too. You can find like a way to just clip it on. You can always use a bobby pin. Like I said, some people might want to use bobby pins or whatever. And then you're just gonna comb the bang down. Okay, so that is the first step. You can make it separate. You can make it like straight across, like the bang, like that. You could do like a little, you know, you can style it how you like. Make it look like kind of like that, but yeah. Or you could just comb it together. Okay. And like I said in the first video, you can always cut it if it's too low or whatever. But yeah, so you got your first part on, and you clip it on to your hair as such. So I just clip that on, and I want to have it right by the bang, so I can disguise the bang a little bit. Bear with me, y'all. This is my first time doing something on camera. Glad I got my mirror in front of me. Okay, so I clipped it, the clips in, and I'm just gonna take that drawstring that I was telling y'all about, and it's like tightening around my ponytail. You're gonna secure the bun with the little thing, and then you just want to tie this around. Now you may want to get a bobby pin to tuck that little string in, because you don't want it to fly away. And that is pretty much it. And like I said, I am natural, so usually I have to like wrap my hair at night with some gel and get it to like so it don't frizz up, because my hair do get frizzy. But I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Oh, I don't know if I want to show you my back, because baby, my hair's a little bit frizzy, but y'all get the point. Like, it's gonna be up in a ponytail and whatnot. And then you got your little Chinese bang in the front. See? And then just put that down. So it goes to anybody who, if you have a big head, little head, small head, whatever you have. And like I said yesterday, you could wrap it up with some bows or something, but this is pretty much the style. And you see how easy that was? Like, it didn't even take that long. I think it took me like less than 5 minutes to just put this bad boy on. Like, I'm telling you, it's very, very convenient. Now, I did want to see how this will look. I'm gonna try, because like I said, the clip at the front, it's been acting up. So if you want to take it off, it's the same steps. just unclip it. I'm gonna pull it from underneath that bun because I did put it right next to my bun. Okay. Ooh. And then you want to unclip it. And look at that. Look, it's off. Like, boom. Like, alright. Okay, he said he wants, alright. So if you go out with your man or whatever. Oh, I did pull my hair though. If you're going out or whatever, you can put some bobby pins, you know. If you wanted to like do your edges up, you can even wear it like this. Like, you don't even gotta wear the bun with the bang. Like, you can wear just a bun. And you can be like, yes, be like, you know, you can make it like really, really cute in the front and gel them little edges down. Telling you, this is so convenient for only $6.99. This bang really quick before I go. And you're gonna do the same thing. I like to clip it to the side because, and then yeah, just clip it. And then you wanna take your two. I have to do the two bottom ones on this one because, like I said, the clip at the top is broke. And then I just clipped it. You can hear it clip. And now look at this. Like, look at this. Alright. Like, alright, let me see. Come through with the wing bang. This bang is a little bit different. And it's not like the other one. You can put some bobby pins on this one too. I got this bang from Samsbeauty online. Samsbeauty.com. I forgot how much it was, but I got it when I had got my little long ponytail because I thought I was gonna be slinging my ponytail and whatever with it. But you can even put this on with it, like put it up at the top by the bang, by the bun. I mean, do your little edges on the side, baby, and you could just, you know, rock it any kind of way. So you get like, when I tell you, you get a lot of hairstyles out of this little $6.99 box. I'm telling you, like don't nobody gotta know what's in your pocketbook, because people think that you just went and sat down and let somebody do your hair, or like you done switched up the style more than once, and you can be like, don't worry about what's in my pocket. Like, I'm just, you know, I'm just feeling myself right now. Like, I love stuff like this because when you cheat, it's a holiday when you can find different hairstyles in one box. Like, this is amazing. I used to love them one pack solution hair because it was like, oh, I can get me a whole hairstyle with one pack of hair. Oh, I gotta fix my eyebrow because I've been doing too much. But anyway, so you can show one eyebrow off, you know what I'm saying, with this one. And you can just, you know, some people like the little swoop. I prefer the Chinese bang with this, but some people may like the swoop, and you may like the little swoop or whatever. You can comb it down like this and comb it over like that, and yes, okay. Also, you could do your little ribbon again like I did. But the choice is all yours, hunty. So that is the new update video, and let me know which way y'all like it. Like, it was like, I think I did like 3 different styles with this one bun. Like, you could do it with the Chinese bang, you can do it without the Chinese bang, you can do it with this. Just like, yeah. So y'all go and find this hair. I'm telling you, you need to go find it. It's a must. But anyway, I look crazy without my eyelashes on. Lord have mercy, I look like a naked mole rat. But thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Bye.